Hi everyone. So ChatGPT has just incorporated its vision. So now you can upload images and it will be able to see whatever image that you've uploaded and be able to identify objects in it. It also includes handwriting. So I thought that I would show you how it works so that maybe you can jump on and give it a go. Okay, so first of all, you need to open up your ChatGPT. You need to have the paid subscription. I don't think it's available on their free version, but on their paid subscription version you can select default and you'll see that there's this little icon now that has the image here, and what you're able to do is drag and drop. So let's I've just grabbed this post-it note. I'm going to say, can you transcribe this? All right, let's see how it goes. Okay, so it's done it in CSS, but it says draft email to clients about products and services. Excellent. So it's actually got that. What color is the note? Let's see. The note appears to be pink. Would you like any assistance with anything else? So I'm thinking that if that's the case, imagine you've got a workshop and you have yellow and pink and whatever colors you might have, where each employee or each person in the focus group has a different color assigned to them, that you might be able to quickly analyze the data that comes from post-it notes and all sorts of things. Honestly, this is amazing. I can't believe it has vision already, and it just feels like it's all motoring along very quickly. I think that this will enhance the workflows a lot quicker, and yeah, pretty exciting. Anyway, let me know what you guys think and what kind of use cases you are thinking that it could be useful for.